Good night, Miss Miriam. This is my final exam, and I decide to explain globalization and interculturality. This is the index. First, I am going to make a small introduction of me and my job. Then I will show you examples of the topics, advantages and disadvantages, some conclusions about the work, 5 questions, and finally, a bibliographic source. First of all, my name is Piero Delgado Grosso. I work as a key account manager at Alicorp, one of the most important construction company in Peru. I am going to talk about some real examples for better understanding, and I will be able to explain advantages, disadvantages, and finally some conclusions and questions about globalization and interculturality. First of all, I am going to talk about the oil import. Globalization allows the import of vegetable oil Mirasol from Bolivia, where labor and resources are cheaper than Peru. It brings a better profit margin to the company. The company decided to produce this oil in Bolivia because the country is the biggest soja producer in South America. So we make the oil in Bolivia and then import the product around 2,000 tons per month to our country. This product is the most economic product who can be offered in our market. Conquest a new market. After a hard market study and American consumer preferences investigation, we can introduce Agitari, one of the most important products in Miami. Agitari is the other flag product of the company, and we decide to introduce in America market. But we have to make some modifications in the product, such as the labels and the bottles, to be more competitive in this new market. Then we have some advantages. First of all, the economic development. Offer our products in other markets around the world to be more competitive. Then start using many products and services from other countries with better quality. Then we have cultural exchange. We talk about meeting other cultures around the world and technological advantages. By the other way, we also have disadvantages as environmental impact. Many times the industry comes with contaminations, so we have to control it. Cultural homogenization. With new cultures, we can lose traditional aspects in our region or our country. Nationalist and xenophobic reactions, and government submissions at international organizations. Let's see some conclusions. Globalization stimulates economic growth of small countries, but at the same time, we can have negative impact on the environment. Increase tolerance and promote social inclusion. It can also bring negative aspects such as discrimination and ideological differences. The people develop empathy, tolerance and aspects, but also copy cultural aspects, and in the future, identities or customs of a country can be lost. Then we have some questions, important questions about the work. how globalization can improve the education quality of a country, what type of social conflicts could we have living with different cultures, that xenophobia is the main obstacle to avoiding cultural awareness, how does international trade affect our countries, our culture are ready to receive and accept the insertion of other cultures. So that's all, and I can share you some links for more information of the work. That's all, and thank you for your attention.